Happy Saturday, you guys. Catherine is asleep. She finally went down. She got up early. Today, we're going to do some fun stuff. I'm going to get the videos finished up. We're going to make some cookies for Rachel's class. We're going to clean. Rachel's going to clean. Womanly duties. I'm going to clean the car. Manly duties. We're going to organize our stuff. What else are we going to do?
We're going to go shopping.
Shopping.
Of course. We go shopping every day. It's like our daily tradition.
I don't want to go shopping.
Well, anyways, I better go fold some laundry.
Fine.
So, let's go do that.
We're going out. Catherine's first snow time. We haven't gone outside in the whole blizzard, but he's gonna go out now.
Bye, Catherine.
Bye, Catherine.
Oh, look, Catherine, the snow! She's never been in the backyard before. Catherine, this is your backyard.
You like it? Crunch, crunch, crunch. Look, Catherine, a secret passage. It's a rock. Don't eat that. Oh, good job, little adventure girl.
We are up on by our garden pots. So in the springtime, we'll plant a garden and we'll sing the song.
I'm singing a garden song. Singing garden song.
That works too.
She's eating the
But are you eating the snow? Is that yummy?
The rock. Thank you.
Okay, Catherine, we're gonna go inside. She's like, but I just got out here. Have you ever seen a sight so magical, Catherine?
Gosh, wow. That's even more macaroni than I'd eat.
She will eat it all. You watch. I bet you guys have noticed that a lot of our videos have a lot of food in it.
Mm-hmm.
That's because,
We have a lot of food.
yeah, not much is going on these days after we moved, so. Besides cooking, which Scott is about to do. He's about to use my KitchenAid that I got for Christmas.
Very first time.
He's gonna use it for the very first time. Actually, I'm gonna make him let me
It doesn't reach.
turn it on. There's one down here. There's a plug-in right there.
Awesome.
Right there. There's a plug-in.
It doesn't reach.
See, there we go. Plug that in.
Ah!
Be the first person to put something in it.
How does it feel? No, wait, not that
Put the
one.
butter and the sugar in first.
It's this one. This one's the one that I want to use.
Oh, you want to use this one?
Yeah. So I got all the things set out
He's
in
very
the
efficient.
measured containers.
So all he has to do is just put the ingredients in and make his cookie. You have to officially lift. Oh, look at that.
Blah. You're really good at that.
I like how you put these in little measuring cups. Makes me happy. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Set.
No.
Ah!
Why are you scared?
I wasn't scared.
Why are you screaming?
Wow.
Now you just let this cream together for a little while.
I feel like I'm on the Great British Cook-Off.
Bake off.
Bake Off. You put in the flour, salt. You put in the... Whoops. I don't know what to do.
Remeasure it.
Dang it!
It's probably a tablespoon.
Teaspoon. I think it's half a teaspoon.
Yeah, a teaspoon, I mean. That.
That's a learning thing. I'm learning.
Yeah.
So you turn it on slow. Don't forget the goes.
Cocoa powder.
I think I'm forgetting something because it's not very cocoa doughy. That's good, I guess.
Here, look at your recipe.
No. Then you just add 12 chocolate chips.
Oh my
How does it turn it on?
No.
Oh, it does. Look at that. There's more chocolate chip. Mmm, cookie.
Now she knows like the park is in her backyard.
Mm-hmm.
I got you. Roar. Oh my gosh. Scott! No. This is why you're to the store, huh?
Yeah.
This is ridiculous.
Can you explain what that is?
Okay, so Scott has this theory that we should keep everything on the other side of the blue line so Catherine doesn't reach up and pull knives down her butt, kill herself.
Look. Can't reach. Can reach. Catherine.
Here.
Oh no, look. Wow. Okay, Catherine, go get it. Right. Think of the children, Rachel. Come on.
I have thought of the children.
I am too. We're gonna keep it up. Cooking. We're off to go get some pizza.
Let's go get some. Ow! Catherine! Did you pull my hair? Are you saying hi? Say hi to everyone. Hi.
She's back! Throw it up in the air, honey.
I've got the pizza.
Throw it up in the air like last time.
No, I'm not gonna throw it in the air.
Really?
No, it's the garden fresh. Oh, good pizza at Papa John's.
Papa John's.
Good. Well, I think we should eat. What do you think? Because we're gonna go to Home Depot. We've been there. How many times have we been there this week? Probably
Every
like
day
4. Not every day. Yeah, we've been there a lot. We're gonna go reach the lights. I don't know about you guys, but this pizza is totally good.
Amazing.
So good. What's your guys' favorite pizza? We are Papa John fans.
This video is brought to you in part by Papa John's.
No.
I just want to hear a whisper.
From me?
Yeah.
Hi, Scott. How are you?
Do quieter.
Hi, Scott. How are you?
Quieter.
Hi, Scott.
Quieter. Quieter. That's so weird.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. It hasn't been up for 2 hours and she's already violating the rule. No things over the line. Rachel. Catherine. So we made this wall just now. Catherine's been trying to take it apart. What are you gonna do, honey? No. Stop it. Put it back. Here, I'll help. Okay. Very good. No! Okay.